there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community. Let's dive in. Today's story topic is the Zucchini Uprising.
In the quaint town of Greenfield, nestled between rolling hills and sprawling pastures, life carried on as it always had. The townsfolk prided themselves on their lush gardens, which spilled over with vibrant flowers and plump vegetables. But among these idyllic settings lurked a secret that would soon change everything. Old Farmer Blunt was notorious for his unconventional gardening techniques. Legends whispered that he could grow a pumpkin as large as a small car or tomatoes juicier than a summer sun could ever dream of. But one fateful day, his ambition went too far. Blunt, in a bid to cultivate the ultimate zucchini, dabbled with mysterious seeds obtained from a shadowy trader at the edge of town. Encouraged by the promise of a harvest like none other, he planted them at the edge of his field, unwittingly unleashing chaos. As the weeks passed, the zucchini grew at an astonishing rate, spreading and sprawling across the entire field. They gleamed under the moonlight with an unsettling luminescence, and a strange aura began to filter through the air. It was only when the harvest approached that Blunt realized something was terribly amiss. His verdant creation refused to be cut, wriggling and twisting from his grasp. Word soon spread of the monster vegetables that Farmer Blunt had conjured. The townspeople gathered, curious and intrigued by the rumors of these impressive produce. But as they inspected the zucchini patch, to their horror, they began to witness the true nature of Blunt's creation. The zucchinis, initially inert, suddenly sprang to life, animated by some dark force. They slithered across the ground, snapping at ankles with their strangling vines. People screamed and scattered, the scene turning into pure pandemonium. Dr. Clara Thompson, the local botanist, quickly took charge of the panicked crowd. "We need to contain them before they consume everything in their path," she shouted. With her expertise in horticulture and passion for understanding the unknown, she devised a plan to thwart the zucchini apocalypse. "Salt," she declared, recalling an old wives' tale about warding off evil with salt. "We need buckets of salt to disrupt their growth." The townsfolk, galvanized into action, raided their pantries and cellars, accumulating piles of the crystalline minerals. Armed with their white shields, the townspeople circled the field, tossing salt across the monstrous plants. The zucchinis writhed and hissed, faltering under the assault. Despite resistance, the tide slowly turned in their favor, the plants shriveling back into inanimate objects. In the aftermath, as the tranquil town re-emerged, they turned to Farmer Blunt, despite his folly, recognizing his inadvertent act as a warning rather than mere hubris. Greenfield returned to its postcard serenity, albeit with a tale to caution, to never underestimate the magic hidden within nature, and to mind the seeds they sow. From then on, Farmer Blunt stuck to conventional seeds, and the town celebrated an annual harvest festival in remembrance of the Zucchini Uprising, never letting their guard down against the unseen mysteries of the world.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.